We are always looking for ways to improve products at Alpha Antenna. Today we have the SWR Sounder. It can be made louder by adding a short antenna element. This 6-inch piece of wire will easily solder onto the internal antenna, as we will show you today. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver on either side of the sounder. These screws can be set aside for use when you replace the cover once again at the end of this video. Once you get the screws loosened, remove the back plate on the sounder that also supports the sounder. Then remove the PCB board. Turn the PCB board over. Look for the short wire, which is the internal antenna, and take the wire that you have stripped and wrap a bit of it around the antenna. This will give you a longer pickup lead that will increase the volume of the sounder. We have already preheated our soldering iron, and we also have a short piece of solder that we're going to use. Simply solder that short element onto the current internal antenna. Let it cool for a moment, replace your soldering iron, and you will take the PCB board to slide it back into the housing just as you had removed it. You may notice that there are small rails for it to attach into. Replace the back cover. Push the wire from the sounder back into that hole. Once you have then placed the sounder onto the support plate, take one of the screws and replace that screw into the original hole. Secure it with your screwdriver. And then simply take the other screw with your Phillips head screwdriver. You will insert and tighten until your upgrade is complete. Should there be any other upgrades that come out for any of our products, we will release them. 73 for now.